Hola, clase. Hoy es lunes, el 4 de mayo. Clase, estamos en mayo. No estamos en febrero, no estamos en marzo, no estamos en abril. Estamos en mayo. ¡Qué locura! ¡Qué loco! Bueno, for today, we are going to read a book called Había tres. Había tres. So for today, you will also take a listening comprehension quiz at the end of this video, and I will walk you through the Google form that is going to be given at the end. Okay, so let's start. Había tres. Había tres. Escrito por Bill Donardo, ilustrado por Nora Valtis. Había tres cerdos y un elefante. Los pequeños cerdos eran chistosos. Había dos patos y un avestruz. Los pequeños patos eran chistosos. Había tres búhos y un águila. Los pequeños búhos eran chistosos. Había dos peces de colores y un pulpo. Los pequeños peces de colores eran chistosos. Había tres ranas y una iguana. Las pequeñas ranas eran chistosas. Había dos monos y un orangután. Los pequeños monos eran chistosos. Había tres tortugas y un cocodrilo. Las pequeñas tortugas eran chistosas. Había dos peces y una nutria. Los pequeños peces eran chistosos. Okay, we're going to return to the beginning of the book to go over the book in English. There were 3 pigs and an elephant. The small pigs were funny. There were 2 ducks and an ostrich. The small ducks were funny. There were 3 owls and an eagle. The small owls were funny. There were 2 colored fishes and an octopus. The small colored fishies were funny. There were 3 frogs and an iguana. The small frogs were funny. There were 2 monkeys and an orangutan. The small monkeys were funny. There were 3 turtles and an crocodile. The small turtles were funny. There were 2 fish and a otter. The small fish were funny. Okay, so now let's go to the Google form. By the end of class, you will be able to answer questions in Spanish that describe the setting of the characters in the book Había tres. This book teaches the words were, and, 3, and funny. So here are the instructions for the quiz we're going to take. Listen as I describe pictures from the book. Choose the correct picture I am describing in Spanish. Make sure you write your name, your last name, and let's go to your key vocabulary check. What does this mean? Había 3 cerdos y un elefante. There were 3 pigs and an elephant. There are 3 pigs and an elephant. Key vocabulary check. What does this mean? Los pequeños búhos eran chistosos. The small owls were funny. The small owls are funny. Okay. Reading workshop number 1. Remember, listen as I describe one of these pictures. Pick the picture I'm describing. Okay. Número 1. Había 2 patos. Número 2. Había un orangután. Número 3. Había 2 monos. Número 4. Había un pulpo. Número 5. Había 3 tortugas. Número 6. Había un cocodrilo. Número 7. Había un avestruz. Y número 8. Había 3 búhos. And that will complete our reading workshop for today. Now, before you hit submit, if you are confused about what you've heard and need to hear something repeated, rewind the video. Go back to the numbers that you have to rehear again. And if you like the lesson, if you had any questions, please write any comments that will help me or just something you want to share. But before you hit submit, if you need some help, you can always contact me via Google Classroom, email, or if you are stuck on something, you can always request a Zoom meeting as well. Okay? So have a good day, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.